Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this app is not available in your country. So how you can fix this Google Play Store issue? So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So why this error happened? It's because sometimes the application is blocked in your country, so you are unable to install those applications. But I'll teach you how you can install those application also in your country. So the first step is you guys have to simply search for any VPN. I'll recommend you to install a super VPN. So in order to install, you guys have to simply search for super VPN. So after searching for super VPN, you guys have to simply install this super VPN. So after installing that, you guys have to simply open it. So after opening up, it will take some time. So after opening up, you guys have to simply tap on connect. So after tapping on connect, your device location will be changed, and in this way you guys can be easily access those applications in your country. If the problem still not solved, then don't worry about it. You guys have to simply go to settings. In the setting, you guys have to simply search for apps. In the apps, you guys have to simply search for Google Play Store. So after tapping on that, you guys have to simply search for clear data, and you guys have to simply clear the cache data of your Google Play Store. So after clearing the cache data of your Play Store and must use the VPN, then you guys can easily access those applications even which are not allowed to install in your country. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.